Okay.
Sharply.
If
Yes.
price
The first
sleeps
movement.
your stop loss, we're going to have all right. So if price should sleep the stop loss, we're going to have issues. Now, this is what these brokers use to monitor your trades. They know your names, they know if you have margin call. Margin call is when um your account is getting to zero, is approaching zero. And it usually happens when people over leverage. When traders over leverage, they have what we call margin call, especially when the trade is beginning to go against them, then they will have issues. Now, the brokers know this, the market makers know this. They know when you are in trouble, they know where your stop losses are. The next picture that I'm showing you is New York Stock Exchange. Now, if I want to ask yourself the question, why are people so many here? What are they doing? These people are the market makers, and they are ready to blow as many accounts as possible. They are ready to jeopardize your. They don't even care whether now your life savings you put inside forex, so they don't care. They don't even care. You know, if anybody should collect your money from you now, you can always chase the person down. But if forex should take the money away, who do you want to chase? Your broker. It's just like crypto too. If you get scammed, you know you cannot trace it. You will not be able to blame the exchange. You won't be able to blame anybody. You can't even trace it. You don't know who took it. So same thing as forex. You don't know where you don't know where and how to trace the people responsible for your money exiting your account. Hmm? So basically, the only way to trade properly in the forex market is to trade with the market makers. The only way to trade the forex market, I'll say it again, is to trade with the market makers. These people, as many as they are, the only way to trade is to trade as they are moving. Now, a particular market cannot buy and sell at the same time. It's either it's buying or selling. They won't be able to counter you because you are moving in their direction. So if they are selling, enter a sell and you just follow them. And once you reach your target, you get out of the market. Once you hit your target, you get out of the market. So many people come into Forex believing in technical analysis. Many people come into Forex believing in the skeleton. Let me call it that. Many people come into Forex believing that after a month of practicing technical analysis, because it has worked quite well on demo, they come into technical analysis. Sorry, they come into the market and they want to make money. Unfortunately, that is when many traders miss it because you cannot trade the market without understanding the market maker's cycle. You cannot understand, you cannot trade the market without first understanding the market maker's cycle. The market maker's cycle is the way the market moves, is the way the market makers move the market on a daily basis. Now, the way they move the market is constant. That means that they follow a particular pattern every day. Once New York market opens, or once London session opens, or once Asian session opens, there are certain things that happen during these sessions. Now, this will help you as you progress in your forex trading. This will help you a whole lot, and it will save you from a lot of struggles. So, what I actually do for most people that have come
to learn forex is I first teach them technical analysis. Now, once they understand technical analysis, some of them will be profitable on demo, but when they get to live accounts, they will see that this thing has a lot of issues with appropriate risk management anyway.
So by the time they come into the market,
They'll start having issues because they know that you are trading live, right? These market makers know that you are trading live, and they know that you'll be looking at one particular support level or one particular resistance level. They know that you'll be looking at this particular trend line. They know that you will be looking to make this trading decision once price gets to this level. They know all that, and 90% of traders actually think this way. 90% of traders actually look at the same levels. Those who trade technical analysis, pure technical analysis, they look at the same levels. They think the same way. And if 90% of us think the same way, how will the market makers make their money? So what they do is they manipulate price, and they make sure that as a retail trader, your stop losses are hit more often than not. They ensure that no matter how long you continue to try your technical analysis, your stop loss is always their target. So how do we actually bypass all their shenanigans, all their manipulations, and how do we increase our profitability from 40%, 30%? I joined a particular community. I think that was almost 2 years ago now. And the strategy the man was teaching, he said it is 55% accurate. At least he was honest. Some first coaches will not tell us the truth. They will say 97% accurate. Now, how do we increase our profitability, our accuracy from 40%, 50% to 80%, 90%? Is by understanding what these people do. Now, the agent session is what we call the accumulation session. This what we call the accumulation session. Let me repeat that. Please write this down. The Asian session is what we call the accumulation session. Now, London session is when the real trend starts. But before the real trend starts, the market makers will do what we call stop hunt. Please write this down. Stop hunt. What is stop hunt? Stop hunt is when these market makers create either false spikes or sincere spikes just to clear out the stops of the previous day. Now, many swing traders would have placed their stop losses on the previous highs of the day, the previous lows of the day, especially swing traders. What they will attempt to do is to get rid of those stops first. That is their first assignment. So when the London session opens, you will see some fast movements, very fast movements. And that will continue from, let's say, 8 to 9. Then 10, 11, market will give the setup. And then they will do their market makers cycle, which is 3 pushes, either upward or downward. So price will go up, rest it to go up again, rest a little, then go up before the New York session comes up. And what happens during the New York session is what we call price retraces during the New York session. So you can check it out. You can check it out, and you will notice that it is quite regular. If you go to your MT4 or your MT5 now, you will see that price is actually calming down or moving in the opposite direction of price presently. If price bought during the day, right now price will be selling a little or just consolidating. You can check. If price sold during the day, presently price will be buying a little. So there are not two ways about it. It is by understanding the market maker's cycle. That is the way you'll be able to trade as they are moving. So after three pushes, you expect the price will rest a little or do a stop point. Like that, like that, like that. So that is the truth about Forex trading. Do you have any question before I continue? Wow, that's a lot. Godwin, Jennifer, all right, listen. So, it is a lot, yes. It is a whole lot. And many traders don't know this. But that's why most of them are struggling. You heard the Fed talk yesterday that BTMM is what I can call the ray of hope for many traders out there. This has been going on since the 1990s. But what they want you to know is technical analysis, because if they should tell you market maker cycle, how will they make money? They make money by going against 90%. What they do regularly is to induce you as a retail. You might have seen the manipulations happening. Godwin, I want you to talk to us now. Has it ever happened to you that immediately you sell buy, market will begin to sell? Yeah, talk to us.
A lot of times.
Thank you. Jennifer, has it ever happened? Exactly. Jennifer, has it ever happened that anytime you enter a sell, markets begin to buy immediately,
Many,
and then they will
many,
leave you trapped?
many times.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Tuluwani, has it happened to you?
Lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
That is why I am honest enough to rescue people from blowing accounts for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years before finally getting it right in the market. Now, we'll be starting how to information overload. We will be starting how to bypass all this their noise. We'll be starting how to bypass all these their shenanigans. We'll be starting how to trade appropriately very soon. So I want you to perfect your technical analysis first. Please put all your energy into it. Learn, because that is when I'll be able to teach you what these market makers do. How they induce you to buy when they want to sell and sell when they want to buy. It is by your own technical analysis. Now you will notice that your support zones are usually broken. Yes or no, Godwin? You want to become a market maker, go and have like trillions of trillions of dollars first. You want to become a market maker. The market makers themselves are bought. What do I mean by that? Some of them don't have the money. People are investing. Imagine someone like Elon Musk now. He can just give them 3 billion, 4 billion, and at the end of the year, he'll be collecting 3%. So their clients must make money. Do you understand?
And if their clients will make money, they must do everything they can to make sure that you yourself you don't make money. I mean, the money that leaves your own account is entering another person's account. The money that leaves your own account is entering another person's account. It's not entering big boy's account or another person's account. It is start leaving your account and entering another person's account. So, the more the better. And people will keep on learning Forex every year. Keep on learning Forex every year. So it will continue. Who doesn't want money? Everybody wants money. So this will continue for as long as I don't know. Forex will continue for as long as I don't know. And Forex market is so addicting that you will want to make money, yes. And even if the market takes all your life savings from you, you will still want to come back. That's how addicting it can be. Now, sometimes when I first started trading, during the weekends were so exhausting for me. So exhausting. Like, what will I be doing? After if I should pray from 1 till 12, after the remaining 12 hours, what should I be doing? If I should go and play ball, what will I be doing during the weekend? That's how addicting the market can be. And if care is not taken, you can be so addicted and you're not making money. You can be so addicted, as many that are, you can be so addicted. And because they've told us not to give up, you keep on pouring your life savings. Keep on pouring your life savings. And the market will continue to take it from you. If you are not due informed, you might be in for tears, premium tears. Very hot tears, in fact. So we will be going into the market maker cycle. I don't know in how many weeks, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. I don't know. Depending on how fast you people are. You understand? And how well you take your technical analysis. Because without technical analysis, I can't teach you what to avoid. Toluwani, have you ever placed a trend line and then it ends up taking, and all of a sudden it reverses and continues going in the direction you predicted? Yes. I don't know, Makonji, have you ever practiced that? Or do I? Have you practiced it? Has it happened to you? Jennifer, has it happened to you?
Just once.
All right. Now, what BTMM will help you do is to trade even without stop loss. You have seen most of my screenshots. Sometimes I don't use stop loss. I know you must have noticed. Sometimes I don't use stop loss. BTMM will allow you to trade without stop loss. And you will know what you will see before you will exit the market. That is the leverage of BTMM. So take this opportunity very seriously. As a matter of fact, I'll be teaching you how not to trade. Now, when you learn how not to trade, you will automatically know how to trade. So you make money. A lot of money is here. I'll continue to improve myself. You should also continue to improve yourselves. So please put in the work. Put in the work. So that is tonight's